Box break. 2018 NFL autograph full-size helmets, box 22 from the series. This is helmet number 82 of 2019, guys, of the new year. So good luck, everybody. Random divisions, one boxer. We random the names and the divisions off of the trade period, guys. That's your list. Good luck, everybody. Box 22. Alright, looks like we got a speed replica. I think we pulled the pro line of this in the last series. It's a really cool hit, guys, and he doesn't have many things signed except this recent signing to the NFC South, the Shocker. It's going to be a Beckett COA, Mr. Taysom Hill. Swiss Army Who Dat. Inscribe, baby. Swiss Army and Who Dat Inscribe. Taysom Hill goes to Shocker. Trippy, I think you hit the pro line of this in the last series, right? The Beckett COA card is on top of the box, Shocker. I know you're not up at this time, but just so you know on the video. Alright, guys, that'll wrap it up for that break. Thanks for watching. See you next time for Boom City Breaks. Have a good one.